What's going on, YouTube, man? We back, another video. Actually getting out today, man. We in the old Caddy today, about to go get it cleaned up, get everything taken care of on it that I've been slacking on, man. Trying to get some of this compound and stuff off after it got wet sanded and buffed. It still got little spots on. I need to clean out the engine bay as well, get that done before I take it Monday. And we're getting the intake redone on Monday, getting that surgery done on us, so that issue will be corrected. Everything will be good in that aspect, and then we'll just start on, like I said, keep knocking out the other stuff. The one main issue we still struggling with, finding a headliner panel. I found a couple, man, on eBay, but they don't ship. They say you got to pick it up. So needless to say, I'm gonna have to start really hunting these salvage yards, take y'all on some adventures with me into these salvage yards while we try to find this headliner panel for the car. Because I really need one. Because I really want to try to put the stars in the roof, the big full roof with the twinkle shooting star. I need all of that in there. I'm gonna have my guy Kelso hook me up on that. You know what I mean? He's pretty good at it, so I'm definitely gonna have him hook it up, and then we're gonna try to find a way to run it to my headlight switch, so you know it won't be on, or some little toggle switch or something like that. Because I want to keep this car super clean. Y'all know that already. So anyway, right now I'm gonna focus on this highway and cut y'all back on once we get up to the dealership and start cleaning this car up.
Watching your record?
Yeah. Hey, walk off. Bruh, shit. Got that pre-soak done. Now you're gonna go ahead and hit it with that spray off to get it ready. Dry it out, show y'all what it's looking like. We got that thing pre-soaked dry. Now we're gonna chamois it. Let's get to the quick details. So let me cut y'all off, cut y'all back on once we get it all chamoised up. See, we back. We got the old girl clean. Went ahead, man, with these wire wheels, I forgot my wire brush. So it makes it hard to get off in there and get all that out of the sides of the wires, but we're good. We got it good enough. I ain't really vacuumed the inside out yet because I'm really debating should I, because it's not too bad on the inside. I'm gonna probably wipe everything down, hit the windows, got everything good. A new gold crest on the front of that joint. Man, that looks so good. Got everything right. Man, if anybody know where I can find like a floating cap for this horn switch, let me know. I need one of those. Y'all quick video, show y'all the car. I'm actually about to pull it out, let y'all see it in the light, because probably can't see it that well in the dark. We're in the wash bay with it right now, so definitely let me pull it outside and show y'all the car real quick. There it is. Super clean, super clean today, man. Had to get it out, man. I need that old school therapy today. Definitely need that. You just gotta wake up sometimes, crank up the old school and get outside, man, and go enjoy it. I need to fill it up with gas. As y'all see, I did end up putting the Brome logo in the front. I think it looks better on the front than in the back. But also, man, I forgot. That's one thing I hate about vinyl tops. You just kind of keep getting the water out. But I know we had the 5.0 liter badge right here underneath the Cadillac. But if I'm not mistaken, it had a fuel injected badge that went on this side that just said fuel injected. If I'm wrong, man, y'all let me know, but I think it did have a fuel injected badge. It just said fuel injection on that side. So I need to figure that out so I can get that ordered and get that stuck on. Man, this is... I know a lot of people love old school two doors. I do too, but I think the Cadillac and the box Chevy are the only two that get a pass with 4 doors on them. Get you a 4-door box or a 4-door Cadillac. I mean, you don't really, ain't no complaining with that. Just want to give y'all something quick today. Let y'all know I am getting the car out and driving it one more time before it goes in for that surgery. You know, getting the intake redone, get the surgery done, get her back home, and just keep working. Next, like I said, we may put dual exhaust on it because I want to do the interior last. I'm still trying to find somebody who I can trust to run through the interior on this car, because if it's not right, I'm not paying for it. If I don't like it, I'm not paying for it. So that's where we are with that. I want my interior to be completely factory the way it came and look just as good as it did in 1990, with a little bit more fluff, a little more cushion, a little more padding in the seats, but that's all. And I need to find somebody who can make that happen around the OKC area. If I can't, then I'm just gonna take it to Dallas and see if I can find somebody down in Dallas to do it for me. So I think of my old girl, man. Y'all let me in the comments. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the old girl. I really think it's one of the cleanest Cadillacs in Oklahoma City. I've seen a couple, but this one is it. Anyway, man, I'm about to get out of here. Go take it to the gas station, fill it up, and then just go enjoy the rest of the day with the family. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see y'all in the next video.